Hello, welcome to another episode of the Metal Shop Fantasy Camp Show. Today is Tuesday, April 17th, and we are a month into the coronavirus still. I'm not sure exactly how many days, but in all my knowledge and wisdom, I was backing the van up to unload some things, and I backed into the garage door without checking. So we're gonna try to fix it. Here it goes. Tools, they're very good. Let's see if it just survived that fall. Looks pretty good. Works in reverse. Yeah. The screws are snapping off. See there where it's kind of jacked. I think I can hammer it back out and make it straight enough to get all the way up to the top and drop back in the rack and then bring her down. It's not going as planned. Trying not to do any more damage to it. That's a little better. So, looks like I need a taller ladder. It's kind of crumpling up in there like tin foil. Let's see how she does. Open. That's it. Reaching new heights. Had to take the ladder up a little taller.